What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. Poor Decisions, and today is Fresh Crack Fridays, and today we got Knob Creek Blenders Edition. Let's go ahead and get into it. Yep. Oh, that smells good. On the nose, getting a lot of fruity notes here. Fruits, little caramel. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's real good. Oh yeah, very fruity. And no burn. That is some smooth stuff. What's the proof on this? 106 proof. Man, it's right there in the Goldilocks zone. It's good. No burn at all. Oh, I like this. Might have to give me another bottle of this.